So what inspired you to start this business?
Okay, so I started my career in digital marketing services in 2016. I was working for a digital marketing agency which was outsourcing work from different countries like Ireland, UK, US, Canada, and I was working as a PPC executive there, means a digital marketing executive. So I learned all the forms of digital marketing there, and the techniques which we apply on clients and how they gain um, such a good business through digital marketing, that inspired me a lot. And what I thought is that digital marketing was very new in India. Very few people knew about that, and the services were not reachable to all the sectors because the services are a bit costlier than the traditional marketing services. So what I decided at that time that I'll be starting a company and I'll focus on small markets, the people which don't have that much budget for their marketing, but they need this marketing. So that was the thought through which I started my own company. And now what I do is I target a smaller market, and I provide them like very advanced and very low cost digital marketing services so that they can benefit from it. So this was the reason why I started my own company.
So what is your core business?
My core business is digital marketing only, digital marketing and website development. I focus most of my time in this business. As we discussed earlier, that I'm having two businesses, but that's a secondary thing. We can discuss on that later. So my main core is digital marketing field.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
Sorry, unique.
What are the USPs, unique strengths of your company?
USPs, yeah. The USPs are like I have prepared the services in a way that they suit the lower market, like the industries which are bigger in size, the companies who have a large number of employee and a bigger budget, marketing budget, they can easily afford any marketing company and they can hire them and they can take their services. But if we talk about the lower market, the companies, the industries which do not have such an exposure to the outer world and they don't have much budget for their digital marketing thing. So I have designed the services in a way that my services are very much suitable for the companies which don't have that much budget, but they need some exposure in the outer world. So the basic, then the main USP is the services are very affordable and they are focused on the small sector and the lower businesses.
What have been the major achievements of your company?
Major achievements are we are a Google certified agency. Like we have all the certification done. Like all the team members in my company have all the certifications from digital marketing from Google, and we have also some other certificates from other institutions and some companies which provide digital marketing certifications in terms of the quality of services and the knowledge of the team members.
How much strong is your brand?
Like I won't say that my brand has become a very strong or very big one as I started the company only 1 year back, but I'll say that I'm regularly maintaining the brand from day one, and the brand value is increasing day by day because whatever clients I have got till now and whatever services I have delivered to them, they're very much happy with the services. So, like the main publicity for any company is the mouth publicity. Still, so I guess I get a lot of mouth publicity from my clients, and that's the reason that we easily acquire new clients every month.
Would you like to name some clients or talk about their work?
Yeah, I can name some of them. Like we have clients from all the sectors. Means some are there from the education sector. We have a few colleges of Jaipur. The colleges are very reputed one, and we handle all their social media activities, their digital marketing needs, and all the website work also. We have the manual maintenance of the websites also. And the second big clients are like there is a restaurant chain in Jaipur, and they're quite a big restaurant chain, and we handle all the marketing social media thing for them. The third one is a ready-made cloth. company is based in Jaipur, but the supply it supplies the clothes to all the countries in the world. So we handle all their website and backend things.
How do you look at the
We
opportunities?
provide them all the technical support for the website. Sorry,
How do you look
the
at
voice,
the
your
opportunities?
voice break in between.
How do you look at the opportunities?
Yeah, like the digital marketing market is growing larger and larger every month and every year, and the companies, we talk about 4 years back, then most of the people didn't know about the digital marketing thing, but now people are knowing that there is something called digital marketing, and if we are not online and if we are not on the internet in today's world, then we can't be reachable. We won't have that much reach. So everyone wants to be online, and everyone wants to have a website, a mobile app, or something, whatever they need according to their business. So there is a huge, like, it's an ocean. You can you can deep down as much as you want, and there is a lot of opportunities in there.
What would you like to say about quality, R&D, and innovation?
Yeah, like I only handle the quality department for now for my company because I have a lot of experience delivering mobile apps, delivering websites, and I'm already a digital marketing expert, so that's another thing. But I also handle the quality management of the companies. Whatever we deliver to the clients, I go through each and everything properly before delivering to the client, and we follow the company's and we follow the industry standards and maintaining our quality. And in terms of research, I regularly read all the articles, all the magazines, and all the recent updates about all the fields of website development, app development, or it is digital marketing. I keep myself up to date so that we can catch all the new things which have been released or which are trending in the world.
What would you like to highlight about your team?
Yeah, my team. Sorry. Currently, I don't have such big team, but I'm building the team. We have around 10 to 11 people in the team, and they all are very much dedicated. Like, I have selected the team from all the, like, as if I was working in a very reputed digital marketing company in Jaipur. So I have selected all the team members like that. Some are developers, some are website developers, some are app developers, and some are digital marketing people. So I have collected those people from all the major companies. They have been handling 30 to 40 or 50 projects every month, and they have a vast industry experience for all types of businesses, for any kind of businesses, irrespective of their size or kind. So, like, the main point is they have a vast experience in terms of industry. They can serve for any kind of industry, any kind of size of a business.
How do you foresee the future of your company?
Mm, I like within I've been I have tied up with some of the companies in Bahrain and Lebanon. So I'm seeing like we'll be soon be having much more clients on board, and the growth will be really very positive. The directions are really clear, and the growth will be really positive in an year or two. I'm
Any
tying
other
up with
important
more companies outside India.
any other important point or success story of any client you may like to share?
No, like as I said that I've started it 1 year back, so we have a limited number of clients till now, but but we have delivered a good quality website or an app or digital marketing service to them, and they have been very successful. So, but I won't don't want to highlight any of the specific client for now.